Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On this week's ARTlapse, we'll be going over another magical portrait commission. Have you ever felt like you should have been born in a fantasy world? Do you identify with mermaids, fairies, or angels? Not only will I turn you into a cartoon character, I can draw how your soul has always identified. Live your magical fantasy. Alright, now that we got that shameless plug out of the way, on this week's ARTlapse, I am doing a magical torso portrait of my close and dear friend, Christoph. And Christoph, he's an eccentric musician, goofy, lovable kind of guy. And so when I was considering what to make him, I was like, what do I make him? Like, what is the magical version of him? And a bard just seemed like too perfect because he's an eccentric musician, like I said, and he plays the keyboard and synth. He can play percussion. He can play the ukulele. He can play the guitar. He can play the trumpet. And music is one of his greatest passions. So, bard, of course. And not only is he a musician, but he also has this company idea for space onesies. And so I wanted to integrate that idea into this concept of, while he's jamming on this ukulele, of his outfit just being covered in stars and space to capture his passion of the space onesie. He's so passionate about space onesies, he even has a song about it. He also has this long, luxurious mane and hair, and so, of course, your girl had to capture that in this piece. And he's just jamming on his uke, happy as can be. Adding some highlights, coloring some line work, doing the finishing touches to make that piece pop. And there he is, the mystical, the magical musician and bard. He's here to entertain. He's here to play you a ballad and make your heart sing. So if you're interested in commissioning your own magical portrait, feel free to visit the link down in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more of this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss an update. And remember, you are magical, so shine on.